Hello everybody, this is Celesta Matthews and today we are going to see a second experiment in DBMS wherein we'll be dealing with some of the DML, DCL and TCL commands. So first we have to enter some values into the table that we had created in the previous video. Okay, so what are the commands in order to insert the values? So first of all, I'll say insert into table name, values, and then if it is a varchar, then I'll give it within single quotes, ampersand, and then I will say the attribute name. Similarly, I do it for the rest of the things and then I press enter. So it will ask me enter the value for student number, then I have to enter the corresponding values for each of these attributes. After one is done, I have to give a slash. After the slash, I give enter and then it again asks me to enter the same details. So each row will be created as soon as you enter one details. Then okay, here. Now that the student table is completed, I said select star from student and then I gave a semicolon. This command will display all the contents of the table student. So the whole content is displayed over here, which we entered using substitution method. After that, member number we have I given the same kind of instruction. So we have four tables and you have to give four commands like these and you have to enter value for each and every tuple. Okay, the next question, write a query to display the records for each table. So I say select star from student, it displays all the records, select star from membership and so on. Okay. Now the next question. Update the record from ISS record table. ISS number is equal to 169. Modify the fine amount to 125. Now the user wants to change the fine amount to 125 for the row where the ISS number is 169. Now, if you remember, we had made ISS number as a primary key. So that means that using this primary key, you can uniquely identify each and every tuple in that particular relation. So I say update ISS record, set fine is equal to 125, where ISS number is equal to 169. So I have, okay, it gives me that one row is updated, then I display it, and here you can see that the value is changed to 125. Okay, so we move on to the next question. Delete the record from order where ISS number is equal to 168. Okay, so now what I do is whatever I have done till now, I save it. So I give commit, that means it is permanently saved. After that, I said delete from ISS record. So delete from table name where ISS number is equal to 168. Okay, so it will delete that particular tuple. So it says that one row is deleted. Now that they are asking me to delete undo the delete operation. So whatever I have deleted, I want to get it back. So what happens is this delete operation has a backup, or you can say that once you have given the commit command, it stores all whatever you have done till now permanently. So now if I give rollback command, then it will come back to its previous state, that is wherever I had given commit till there it will come. So I have given rollback, it gives me rollback complete, and then when I display it, I have the record over here which I had already deleted. So that's quite useful, right? Now the next question says that display the details of ISS record whose fine amount is greater than 100. So now we are given a condition. So if we want to display something with a condition, we use a where clause. So I say select star from ISS record where fine is greater than 100. So it will display me all the records. Now I want to create a user. Okay, so in order to create a new user, I said create user, username identified by some particular password that you want to give to that user. So now it says that user is created. Now I have to grant some of the privileges to that particular user. So, like you can either name the privileges and only the user, that particular user can use only these privileges. If you don't give a particular privilege to that user, he cannot use that. So in companies and all, you're not given the authority, to delete some table or something like that. Okay, you can have conditions like that. So it says that grant, insert, delete, and update privileges. These three privileges are to be granted to that particular user. So I say grant, insert, update, delete on the particular table, that is on the student table, to that particular user. Okay, so it says grant is succeeded. Now how do you revoke those, how do you take those privileges back from the user? You use the revoke command. So again I say revoke, insert, update, delete on student from the user. Okay, now, I have to write a query to implement a save point. Save point is a kind of temporary storage that you can have. Show a query to implement rollback and commit. So I have given commit, that means whatever I have done till now is again saved permanently. Now I'll create a save point. I give it the name Austin. After that, it gives me the value that the save point is created. So now I make some changes in that particular table. So I say update ISS records as ISS number is equal to 1, where ISS number is equal to 169. So here we had 169 and I have changed it to 1. Now what I want is I want to come back to my original state. That means instead of this 1, I want 169. So I want to undo this particular update. What do? I say roll back to save point first. Okay, so it will roll back to that particular save point. It will extract the values from that save point and store it. So again, instead of 1, I get 169. So that particular update is undone. Now we have show the student names where their membership with their membership numbers. Okay, so what are the things that I want to display? I want to display the student name and I want to display the membership number. So I say select student name comma member number from student and then I give a semicolon. So all these values will be displayed. Okay. Now there is one more thing wherein you can display the date in the particular DBMS system. So the command for that is select current underscore date from dual. Okay. So select current underscore date from dual. So it gives me the current date, that is today's date. So I hope you understood all these commands. Thank you.